Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to delete movie from your list on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Well, after that, select your profile. And then here you can click My Netflix at the bottom. And select My List here. Okay, and then to delete movie from your list, you can tap on pencil icon here. And then you can press trash icon next to the movie you want to remove from your list. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete movie from your list on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.